folks, here we go. Now this is going to be round 3. Okay, let's light this back up. And we have 16 grams. 76 grams. Well, we're going to stay with 0.16. Now let me get this all laid out again. And get the silver in the bags, and we'll weigh them up and see what we get. Okay, here we go one more time. Alright, here we had the last one I did with no ice. Now, the third round is showing the same thing. 9.95 as it works out without the bag, as compared to 9.89 for round number 3. Now I have checked both scales with a just a 1 ounce standard and then 5 1 ounce pieces, and they were both so close it really didn't matter. So there you go, folks. The 4.9 silver definitely comes out a little bit on the high side. Now there is still dust in the bucket and a little bit of dust on the trays after they came out of the oven, but it's negligible. So I think we did prove a point where the 4.9 pure silver, Canadian Royal Mint 10 ounce bars do come out a little bit heavier. You know, it's 0.06 of a troy ounce for round 3, and what did we get? Round 4 was 0.14, which was well, you know, these weren't the same bar. This was an NWT bar, and I believe this one was an OPM bar. These were the same. So they do vary. What can I say? Just part of doing what we do. But when we showed the first round, and the 4.9s miraculously got up and over 10 ounces by quite a bit, shows that we need to check our scales. And that's all, folks. So now I got this out of the way, I can tend to this huge pile of goodies I showed you here the other day and start thanking all these wonderful people for the trades and some purchases that I've done outright, but they all go in the community box. So we'll see you when it's time for that. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye now.